Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger denied. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger denied, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will search about Messenger. Then in this list we click first stop and we click OK. After that we click storage. Then we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can mix errors on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.